What's going on, Mullenaires, future Mullenaires out there? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to get more content coming from me. This is not financial advice. I just here to give you all my thoughts and opinions. So first we're gonna start looking at the chart. We on a 2-hour chart right now. And if you've been rocking with the channel, you know that I have been speaking heavy on this downtrend. Algorithmic push down, perfect ladder, stair-stepping all the way down, and we were anticipating this MACD crossover. It got rejected a few times. You see right in here where we got green, some couple green candlesticks where it was trying to push over to the green side on the MACD, and it got rejected each time because the algorithm was in control. And we finally got this breakup out of the downtrend, which we got as high as around, I believe, 44 cents. So great move. So that is definitely something we wanted to see, especially those have been holding through all these down ticks and continuing to buy the dips, getting as low as 33 cents on the day. And we knew that the price was being suppressed to the downside, and retail is buying the dips and holding this stock for the long run. We were anticipating this strong move to the upside, which we will be expecting and hoping that momentum will continue going into Monday. You know, I'm not always right. I know some people in the comment section may say that, you know, every video they've watched of me, nothing has came to fruition. Well, we have been anticipating a strong move to the upside. If you go back and look at my previous videos, you'll see that I was waiting for this MACD cross. So I'm not, you know, saying that I'm right all the time, and I don't expect to be right all the time. Like I said, these are my thoughts and opinions on my videos. You can take it for a grain of salt. Now, will this finally be the start of a reversal for Mullen Automotive? Mullen Automotive was not following the broader market today, which it flipped the script. It was following the previous day, but not today. I'm not sure what happened intraday when we went extremely flat at exactly 40 cents per share for over 2 hours. Whatever they did behind the scenes, it was obvious that they were trying to hold off the buying pressure until after hours, when most of people could not be able to trade after hours. And you see they let it spike after hours and then took back control, keeping us from running more. Now, my very last video, I talked about some of the most popular names in the market, such as AMD, Nvidia, just recently hitting their 52-week lows. And if you don't think that some of these short sellers or hedge funds that have long positions in a lot of these big names out there are not struggling right now, then you will find out now, because with the market that coming down like it's been coming down, and rates continuing to be rose, making it harder and more expensive to borrow, these big players out there that have been loaning, borrowing, and trading off margin to trade these big popular names out there may just be getting margin call, and in turn that would just intensify the selling pressure that's already been happening in the market. So Keith Fitzgerald from Fitzgerald Group Principal came on Yahoo Finance, and he's going to talk a little bit more about it. Let's get right into it.
That we're certainly seeing play out in the market today, what we've seen play out in the last couple of trading days. Is some of that fear overdone?
Oh, I think so. There's no question, you know, and this is a very tough point. This doesn't get talked a lot about. But what you're seeing today, where everything is red and there's no place to hide, this is really the global equivalent of a margin call. That's what's happening, is you've got big traders simply getting off the gas, walking away from the bid on a Friday afternoon because they know that retail investors are going to get scared out of their minds. They're going to panic, and it makes it easier to separate them from their money. The easiest way to play this as an individual investor is to not engage in that battle. Don't give them a chance to do that. You know what the great companies are, just like I do. Nobody's giving up their iPhones. Nobody's giving up their Microsoft Teams. They're continuing to stay in the fight. Those companies are going to put up good numbers.
Boy, I'd love to know what you're drinking to shake off a day like this. Jacqueline, what can be the catalyst?
That's all I got for this video. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Stay charged up. Hope you've been loading up on them batteries. Don't feed the fear. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.
Go. Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through in the clutch. I'm that diamond in the dozen.